flex my arms, then I could hold you like a man. But do you think a man could ever hold you like a mother can? Calm in my arms, I'll take the love. I'll take it all, my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. Hey, I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Let's dance, got me feeling. Let's dance, let's If I close my ears and begged, would you take me home? I'll ask politely. You can take the lead, I'll give you anything you want. And I'll do it rightly. Yeah, I'll see. I'll take the love. I'll take it all, my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. And I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Let's dance, got me feeling. Let's dance, walk, they say Tina Turner, but them abs is Janet Jackson. Get harder, move harder. Sing on Tony Braxton. Sing, give me body, Whitney. Dance with somebody, Britney. I want all the J-Lo, get If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Let's dance, got me feeling. Let's dance,
Let's learn Stilettos. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Shane McKeever. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Stilettos. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 4 walks forward, and you want to make these 4 walks forward sassy. So you want to strut forward, doing like prissy walks or cross walks forward, adding a little bit of extra style on these 4 walks forward. So we're going to start by walking forward with our right. It's right, left, right, left. We're now going to do a kick step, point kicking our right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down onto our left foot and flicking our right foot back to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 4 walks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're gonna rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. You're gonna do a half shuffle, turning over your left shoulder. You're gonna make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now gonna make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a big step to the right to face 12 o'clock and dragging your left toe into your right. We're now going to do a ball side rock recover, stepping your left next to your right. And as we rock to the right, you wanna push your hip to the right and then recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your rock half shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, we're gonna cross our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, and then we're gonna do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're now gonna make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot into the left diagonal, and then step your right foot out to the side. You're now facing 10:30. We're gonna quickly step back with our left and step our right next to our left. We're gonna pop both knees forward, lifting our heels up off the ground, and then recover onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our side rock recovery. You're gonna do your behind side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4, we're gonna step back with our right foot and touch your left toe slightly forward. We're gonna step back with our left and touch our right toe slightly forward. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and step forward with your right foot. We're gonna step forward with our left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 430. So let's try that with some counts. We just popped and recovered onto our left foot. You're doing your back touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to do left and right Dorothy steps. So you're going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to step our right foot forward and into the right diagonal, step your left behind your right, and quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. We're going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder as we chasse to the left, stepping left, side, right together, left side, and you'll be facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, you're doing your left and right Dorothy steps. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6, we're gonna shuffle forward with our right, and as we shuffle forward, you're gonna roll your hands over each other. So we're gonna step forward, right, left together, right, forward. You're now gonna make a half turn over your left shoulder, continuing to roll your arms over each other to face 9 o'clock, and we're gonna shuffle forward with our left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. We're now going to do a V-step, and as we do our V-step, your hands are gonna go with your feet. So we're gonna step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, both hands are gonna go up to the right. You're gonna step your left foot out to the left side, hands go to the left, step our right foot back center, hand come down to your right, step your left foot next to your right, hands come down to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, we're facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to do your shuffle forward. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to take your left toe, you're going to touch it behind your right, and you're going to snap both fingers down towards the right. We're now going to do a rolling vine, so we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. We're going to take our right toe, we're going to touch it behind our left and snap our fingers. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then you're going to scuff your left heel forward and slightly over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, we're stepping to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8 in our final section of the dance. We're going to cross our left over our right. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, quickly recover back onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. We're going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to touch your left toe behind your right, and we're going to unwind a half turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to face 6 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just scuffed our left heel. You're going to cross over. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks. It's right, left, kick, step, point, quarter, flick, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, ball side, rock, recover, behind, side, crossing shuffle, eighth, out, and together, knee pop, back touch, coaster step, half pivot. Now your Dorothy with the left and the right, and your rock, recover, eighth, chasse, shuffle forward with your right, half with your left, V step, out, in, step, touch behind with a snap, quarter, half, quarter touch behind, snap, quarter, scuff, cross, side, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, touch, half, unwind. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 7, so you'll be dancing the front wall. You're going to dance up to count 31, which is your step forward with your left before doing your half pivot. So let's dance up to that part, and then we'll talk about how to end facing 12 o'clock. Weights on your left, you're starting with your walks. It's walk, 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 kick, step, point, quarter, flick, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, ball side, rock, recover, behind, side, crossing shuffle. Now your eighth, out, and together, knee pop, back touch, coaster step. Now your step forward. We're not going to do our half pivot. This is going to be close to the end of the song. You're going to step forward with your right foot still into the diagonal. You're now going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot and flicking your right foot back. Now you want that step forward to start turning you towards 12 o'clock, but not completely. So you kind of want to think that this is like a little bit of an arc, and you'll end with that step flick facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. Weight is on your left foot, starting with your walks. It's right, left, kick, step, point, quarter, flick, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, ball side, rock, recover, behind, side, crossing shuffle. Now your eighth, out, together, knee pop, back touch, coaster step, half pivot. Now your Dorothy with the left and the right, and your rock, eighth, chasse, shuffle forward with the right, half with the left, V step, out, in, step, touch behind, snap. Now your rolling vine, touch behind, snap, quarter scuff, cross, side rock, cross, side, sailor, step, touch, half, unwind, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Walk. Now your kick, step, point, quarter flick, step, rock, half shuffle, quarter drag, ball side, rock, recover, behind, side, crossing shuffle, eighth, out, together, knee pop, back touch with the right and the left, coaster step, half pivot. Now your Dorothy with the left and the right, rock, recover, eighth, chasse. Now shuffle forward with the right, half shuffle forward with the left, V step, out, and in, step, touch, and snap, and your roll, step, touch, and snap, quarter scuff, cross, side rock, cross, side, sailor, step, touch, unwind. Now your walk, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then you will dance all the way through until you're ending. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn stilettos. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
If I flex my arms, then I could hold you like a man. But do you think a man could ever hold you like a mother can? Call me mom, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. And I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'd be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Let's dance, come and feel it. Let's dance, let's dance, come and feel it. If I close my ears and beg, would you take me home? I'll ask politely. You can take the lead, I'll give you anything you want. And I'll do it nightly. Yeah, obviously, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. And I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Let's dance, come and feel it. Let's dance, come and feel it. Let's dance. I walk, they say Tina Turner, but them abs is Janet Jackson. Get harder, sing on Tony Braxton. Give me body, Whitney, dance with somebody, Britney. I want all the J-Lo, get if I look the